everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flour. I'm Robin, and in today's video, I am going to be getting through my to-do list in no particular order, just trying to get as many things accomplished as I can. Patrick had the day off and had plans of his own to tackle a few home projects that we needed to attend to, so I helped him with those. And so if you guys are needing some cleaning motivation or inspiration for getting some projects done around your house, I hope you'll find today's video encouraging. I just got back from taking Peyton to his work program, and he sorted all of his laundry before he left, which is super helpful, and now I'm just sorting through mine and Patrick's. I really like getting the laundry going first thing in the morning because it can be doing its thing in here, and that leaves me plenty of time to get other things done, and when it's ready, I can fold it. I know that a lot of you probably prefer to spread your laundry out over the week, but I really like getting ours done in about 2 days. And so the first day I do all of our clothes, and then the next day I do the other things in the house like sheets and towels or whatever else needs to be done. And I've kind of done this ever since my boys were really little, and it worked well for our family. So it's a great day for me to spend most of it at home. While I'm in and out of the laundry room, I can get a lot of other things done around our house, and I just love the satisfaction of folding the laundry and putting it away and having it semi-checked off my list, because laundry is one of those things that seems to never be finished. While the laundry's going and before I do anything else, I'm going to make a cup of tea and then go back in our bedroom and do my Bible study or quiet time. My electric tea kettle is one of the few appliances that I leave out on the counter all of the time because we use it really often. And even in the summertime, I really enjoy making a cup of tea. I keep all of our loose teas in this little basket up in the cabinet along with the teacups. On my way home from taking Peyton this morning, I stopped by a yoga and tea bar. I was given a gift certificate and decided to purchase a few of their teas, and so I'm trying out this white peony today. This is my favorite teapot for brewing loose tea. It's made by Teavana, and I've had it for several years. I have it in my Amazon store if you guys are interested. It is plastic but BPA free, and it dispenses from the bottom, which is not only fun, but it's a great way to make your leaves last longer because many of the loose teas can be steeped more than one time, and this way I can just save the leaves right in my teapot in the refrigerator and brew up another batch when I'm ready. Many mornings now, I've shifted my routine to do my quiet time after taking Peyton. I just find that my time is a lot less rushed and hurried, and I can really enjoy my time in God's Word and in prayer. After my Bible study and some time spent editing for my channel, it was time for me to fix lunch for Patrick and I. I'm going to be making some brown rice in my Instant Pot, and if you guys haven't made rice in your Instant Pot, you really should. It is super easy. No matter what type of rice you're using, you just measure out equal parts of the rice and the water, and it comes out perfect every time. Most days, I'm just fixing lunch for Patrick and I. Patrick works from home and Peyton's away at his work program. Peyton can't have gluten or soy, so we usually avoid that as a family. But Patrick and I enjoy a little bit of Chinese once in a while, which is something that is definitely a no-no for Peyton. And these chickenless mandarin orange morsels from Trader Joe's are really good. They are soy-based and vegan, and we do try to eat plant-based as much as possible, although this probably isn't the healthiest option. We consider them a fun treat, and they're really convenient too. was doing the dishes, Patrick was filling me in on his plans for the projects he wanted to do today, and we have a light fixture in our master bedroom closet that hasn't worked since we first moved in, and so it's past time for us to try to do something about that. So Patrick was going to take it down, and he's going to need my help a little bit later on, but first he's going to take Austin for a walk and do a few more things. I'm going to continue to work through my to-do list until he's ready for my help. Next on my list is the laundry. The things in the dryer are now ready to be folded, and so I put another load in, and I always wash our whites first, and so this is usually the most time-consuming folding load because it's full of socks and underwear and t-shirts and things that take a little more time to fold, but I don't mind because I like bringing it here into the living room. I can sit down and catch up on YouTube videos or watch something from TV that I missed and just sort of relax while I do my folding. Patrick made me so happy by fixing this light fixture in our closet. There are two of these, and only one has been working since we moved in. Putting it back up was definitely a two-person job. He needed me to hold it up so that he could do the wiring, and it was a workout for me. My arms kept getting tired, and he had to give me breaks to shake them out, and of course it seemed like it took a lot longer than it probably did, but once it was all said and done, we had the extra light working in our closet, and I couldn't be happier about that. Patrick had several more projects on his agenda for the day. I finished up the laundry, picked up Peyton, and before I knew it, it was time to get back in the kitchen and start dinner. I'm sauteing some onions, some bell peppers, and black beans and adding a little bit of taco sauce to that, and we will have corn tortillas and all of the traditional taco toppings for dinner tonight. Whenever I chop up more onions or bell peppers than I need in a recipe, I save the rest in these mason jars and keep them in the freezer, and then they are ready to use whenever I want them. These were still frozen, but they very quickly thaw out when I saute them along with the onion. It's time for Austin's dinner too. While the onions and peppers are sauteing, I'm preparing all of our taco toppings. I'm just going to rinse and drain some black beans that I had frozen. I like to prepare these in my Instant Pot and then keep them in the freezer for meals like this. I have another convenience item with our dinner tonight, and it's this Frontera taco sauce. Sometimes I make my own taco sauce, but this one is so good and so convenient. I've been using it more and more. It has really good ingredients, and there's no gluten or soy in there, so it's perfectly safe for Peyton. All the ingredients are natural. There are no weird preservatives or anything, and I just find that at our regular grocery store. And while that is simmering, I'm just going to make some fresh guacamole. I could finish everything, Patrick needed my help, a plastic bag, and some assistance outside. He had a minor mortar repair to do on some stone outside, and he needed some extra hands. I make guacamole super simple. I just take fresh avocados, I don't measure anything, about 1 or 2 limes depending on how juicy they are, some chopped up jalapeno peppers, a little bit of salt and pepper, and mash it all up, and that's it. And it's delicious. I learned this trick from the Pioneer Woman, and it makes a huge difference. We like to use corn tortillas, but they are so much better when you prepare them this way. And so it really works best if you have a gas stove. You just toast them and they come up really nice. They don't fall apart. And then I usually take all of the ingredients and just kind of lay it out on the island, and everybody comes and fixes their own taco. Everybody puts their own dishes in the dishwasher so that I only have a few things left to do. It's mostly just putting away the extra food for lunch tomorrow. And so once I get all of that put away and the countertops cleaned up, then we are going to go for a nice walk outside and see the sunset. Can you tell that this is Austin's favorite time of day too? It's so nice to get outside in the warm summer weather and enjoy a nice walk. And we are just in time to see a beautiful sunset tonight. I hope this video gave you some great cleaning motivation and inspiration. If you liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Subscribing is absolutely free, and it really helps my channel grow so I can bring you more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next video.